welcome back to the channel. What's good? This is Kiva. So today, you know, I love my press-ons and I gotta always do a little video when I find a cute little set to keep y'all up on the trending styles for our budget. So this set is $11 with tax. It is from Rite Aid, but they're at CVS, Rite Aid, pretty much any drugstore, even Kiss. I'm sorry, these are the ImPRESS brand, even the ImPRESS brand website. Okay, you just gotta pay for shipping. But this is their short kind of coffin set, and I'm in the car because I wanted to show you how quick and easy you can get these nails on the go. So if you at a conference and you like, oh, I want to change my nails, you know, of course you would have to take the polish off and stuff, but I'm talking about how quick you can apply the set and be out the door back looking cute. What I like about ImPRESS, and I'll have a screenshot of the nails somewhere over there, they come with built-on sticky tabs. Now, the ImPRESS sticky tabs are patented to them. They do not sell their sticky tabs separate. They come built onto the nail. They do tell you how to put them on, and they're water resistant. So you do get a much stronger grip, a much longer lasting grip. Y'all need to sponsor me, ImPRESS. If I say this is a good set for any beginners who's like nervous about press-ons, oh, do I want to wear them? I don't know. At the end of the day, no matter what, it's still a press-on. Whether you glue it on or put the ImPRESS on or use a separate sticky tab from another company, it is a press-on and we can't get around it, and sometimes they do come off. But we're in a world of who gonna check me, boo? Let me pick my nail up, get my glue it back on, put it on, and baby, we're gonna keep it moving. So I want to show you this set. We're gonna start the timer from now, from the time I start applying them. I want to time it and see just how quickly we can put these nails on. So it's about 2 minutes and 15 seconds in. So let me start, and I will start applying these nails, and then we're going to see how long it takes me to get them done. Also a tip, and they even tell you on the package, the longer you put it on and press down on it, okay, the longer it will stay. So remember, I started around 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Let's see. Hopefully you guys are doing well. I have been having some issues, you guys, with my eyes. So driving home about 3 weeks ago, my eyes have really been bothering me for the last 3 weeks. Driving home, I had my window down because, you know, the air was getting cold, and I had it down for a few minutes. Child, a truck flew by me and kicked dirt and glass up in my eye. Of course, while I'm driving, there's no water to flush my eye. I'm rubbing my eyes, y'all, rubbing my eyes, and didn't realize I had scratched up my eyes with the debris that had got kicked up. So I'm thinking I got it out, because when I got to my destination, I rinsed my eyes again, you know, and my eyesight was blurry, but not that blurry, but also I suffer from allergies. So, you know, I'm like, okay, now my allergies are acting up on top of having dirt kicked in my eye. I'm thinking, okay, this is what it is. Now, before that happened, you guys, I needed to get glasses, but the pandemic hit. Of course, that wasn't an essential need. I put the appointment off and didn't think about it. And I said, okay, I gotta go get my glasses, because my vision before I got that dirt kicked in my eye had sort of started to mess up. And it reminded me, like, hey, don't forget, you gotta go get your glasses. So an appointment was going to be made, but not under these circumstances. So yesterday, you guys, my eyes were, actually over the weekend, my eyes were crusting up and everything. I'm like, do I got the pink eye? Who gets the pink eye at 47 years old? Jesus, Satan, you a lie. And it wasn't the pink eye. It was just the debris and stuff, I guess, still in my eye or whatever. So I said, you know what? I got to go to the eye doctor, because this is bothering me. Little bitty letters and words I couldn't see. It was really bad. So I went yesterday and got my eyesight checked. Y'all, why did that woman tell me when she examined my eyes? She said there's no debris in there. The rinsing out did a good job, right? But she said why both my eyeballs have, like, the best she could describe it was scuff marks. Like someone took an eraser and scuffed my eyes all around my eyeballs. Because she said apparently when the debris got into my eyes, me doing this was scratching my eyes up. Thankfully, I didn't get my cornea, because I've had friends tell me that a cornea scratch ain't nothing to play with, and it's like the took their ass out. I'm like, dang. But she said I did do damage, and my tear ducts are actually damaged but repairable. Y'all, how cute. Isn't that cute? Okay, second hand. So she got me some drops for the damage to my tear ducts, which has made a difference in my eyes already. I'm glad I went, because I wouldn't have known that my eyeballs were scraped up. So I'm gonna leave my lashes off and everything, because y'all know how I feel about my lashes. But I don't want any of the lashes affecting my vision while my eyeballs are essentially healing, because I've been wearing lashes this whole time. And she didn't say the lashes were the problem, which they didn't scratch up my eyeballs, but I'm thinking I still had to apply glue, and could the glue have got down to my eye, which sometimes it do. You know, you just jacked me all up. But the debris is what got me scratched on the inside of my eyeballs. I'm like, this ain't nothing but the devil. So anywho's, that's what's been happening with me, and I haven't been able to read small print because I have a budgeting video to do, a digital cash stuffing to do. I have a true crime video to put out on my members channel. I'm like, Kiva, get your eyeballs together, okay? I need my eyeballs to do what it's gonna do. Okay, when did I start? 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Okay, I got 2 nails left to do, y'all. Because we starting from 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Okay. Let's get this nail. And be sure to let me know if you've ever worn ImPRESS nails before. And let me know your thoughts on them. How do you feel about them? How long did they last for you? Because I've never really heard any bad word about them. But we all have different experiences. Some might be like ImPRESS was the worst shits they ever put on. And they like, never again. You know, me, I sing their praises. They're a favorite of mine, but their nails are short. Y'all know I like to wear mine long. So but I'm thinking maybe, because this is the longest I've ever seen them do an ImPRESS set. Also, when you're sizing, all done. Is that all ashy? Oh, hell no. Jesus. Hold on, y'all. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. That's done. That's a really cute set. Now, what I did do is, because I had little fat fingers, which one wouldn't fit in? This one, kind of, you can see my real nail. For me, that's nothing. You got to really be eyeballing my hand and be like, oh my God, some of her nail is showing. If it's that serious for you, then yeah, I don't care. But keep pressing on them. Oh, that's my steering wheel. Like, hey, but what did you really just show us tapping your steering wheel? Nothing. But this is a cute to-go set. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to say 8. So what? 6 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes of application. From start, you know, not from opening the pack and prepping in the alcohol pad. From actual starting to stick them on was 5 to 6 minutes. So if you have, we're going to say 10 minutes, not even 10, because you got to size your nails. You got to find your nails. So a quick 10 minute, and you just want to throw something on. These are so cute. Good choice. Try out ImPRESS. Like I said, built-in sticky tabs on a budget. $10 for the set. And when you take them off, of course, the glue. Now, let me say this. I've had I've been able to get a set off and the set be reusable. That does not happen all the time for me. Sometimes I take them off and it's like, oh, I gotta throw it out. When the set is reusable, I just use glue to put them on again. But there have been times I've taken these off and the set I couldn't use it again. So for $10 to change your setup, even if it's every 2 weeks, one set with acrylic is $45 to $50. Now, some places I have seen for $19.99, $20, but this is still $10 or $11, and I can take them off and put on a whole different style. That's what I like. For me, that works for my budget, and I feel like I get more bang for my buck. That's it for this video. Thank you for listening. Please send my eyeballs some well wishes to the blurriness to go away. I'm actually going to be seeing Monday, and I'll be getting them dilated. I'll have on the big black glasses, and I think I'm going to pick out a pair of glasses. So that's it for this video. Thank you for coming back and rocking it with your girl, and I'll be back. Bye.